In this video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. So we can see here, in this pattern, every line contains 6 number characters. Along with every number character, a space character is appended. We can divide this pattern into 4 parts: 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1. This is the one half. Then 2 2 2, 2 2 2, and 2 2 2. This is the second half. Then 2 2 2 here. Line number 4, 5, and 6. This line number 4, 5, 6 can be divided into 2 parts. So totally 4 parts. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize the variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6 value. So at the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. So to print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable j. J is equal to 0. Nested while j less than 6. And at the end of nested while iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So at the end of 6th iteration, j value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. So to print this pattern, we are going to use if-else condition. So let's do that. If I value is greater than 2, then print the first line. So again, here the first line is divided into 2 parts, 1 1 1 and 2 2 2. So first print 1 1 1 if j value is greater than 2, then print 1 and separate the number with space character, else print 2, separate the number with space character. So this is the condition to print line number 1, 2, 3. Now to print line number 4, 5, 6, we are going to use else condition. Else. Now to print 4th line and to print 2, 2, 2, then 1, 1, 1, we are going to use if-else condition. If j value is greater than 2, then print 2 separated by single space character, else print 1 separated by single space character. So to begin, every time from new line, we are going to use print method outside the nested while loop. So let's print this pattern. run py square.py. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.